In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then do exactly the same with the other one you need, and with both of them opened in the background, access background apps. Now decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on this icon of the rectangles at the top right corner of it. Then tap on a second app, and as you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!